Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Hi friends! I have successfully made another trip around the sun, and it is time to celebrate! I bought myself some really cute balloons this year because I've always thought that they were super cute whenever I saw them on Pinterest. It's too bad we can't be amongst friends and have a full-blown birthday party, but at least now I have a million photos of myself with pink balloons that will forever live in my computer. I gotta say that every day when I woke up and saw these in my living room, the sparkly pink prettiness of it all really gave me a lot of joy. The really great things about this too is that these foil aluminum balloons can actually be refilled. And since my birthday is so early on in the year, I can reuse these for all of my friends' upcoming birthdays this year. Since most of my friends in the Wolfpack were born in the same year as me, by the end of the year, these balloons will have traveled through most of our homes and have celebrated many wonderful birthdays with us. The weekend prior to my birthday, Kevin and I had a date night planned, and it was so much fun getting dressed up for it since we never go out anymore. Right now, it's technically okay for us to go out, but to be safe, we try to stay home as much as possible. I actually did my nails last week for Valentine's Day, and they're still looking pretty amazing. These nails weren't the ones that I've mentioned before in my previous vlog, but it's actually these pop-on nails that my sister got me from Static Nails for Christmas. I'm actually so in love with these. It only took about a minute per finger for the full manicure, and it literally looks like I went to a nail salon. I'm actually still dying to try my nail stickers from Vanity Table, but I'm just waiting until after we move in case I break my nails or anything like that. Just before we jump into our date, we actually had to go to Home Depot first because Kevin wanted to get some light bulbs for our new home, but somehow whenever he's buying light bulbs, he's always taking forever to decide. I'm just glad we made it out of there without spending the night. Okay, so we're at our first location and it is a speakeasy. Supposedly it looks like an accounting firm in the front, but then it's actually a bar in the back. So let's go and check it out. This place was so cool. I wish I slowed down and grabbed more footage of everything, but basically you enter this tiny office and when you enter the red door, you're in this dark, very vibey bar with some very neat paintings. It's not very big and they have acrylic dividers for all of the tables, but I was really glad that we were the only ones there. I love checking out unique bars because I love trying new cocktails. The one I had that night was pretty tasty. Since I knew we would have some time to kill before dinner, I bought this game called So... to play with Kevin. It's sort of a conversation game with hypothetical questions that get you to think about your life. I played a similar game with Miriam and it was so much fun, so it had inspired me to get this one. And I really enjoyed playing this game, but Kevin on the other hand doesn't really like reflecting on his life, so I can't say the same for him. He was such a champ though, and we played the game the whole time we were at the bar. And while we were there, we also got these Cur Royale Jello shots, and they were so jiggly and tasted like candy. We knew that we shouldn't be ordering anything else since we were going to have a tasting menu for dinner, but we couldn't help it and we ordered some chips. This would be our biggest downfall. Off to location number 2, published on Maine. I was so excited to have discovered this restaurant because they have such great reviews and their menu looked so unique. It turns out their executive chef Gus Stiefenhofer had previously worked at Michelin star restaurants, and I think so have some of their sous chefs. So I guess this would explain all the creativity behind all of these dishes. We kicked things off with a drink and our dinner officially began. We had pre-ordered a tasting menu for the two of us, but we had no idea what was coming. Although the appetizers were so delicious and so memorable, I actually didn't manage to catch the names of everything. However, I do highly recommend you go try these for yourself if you're ever in the area because it was so good. Everything was exquisitely put together and so delicious. But by the time we reached this dish, we were already so full. We really shouldn't have had those chips. But we stayed strong and chowed down everything that came our way. We were so happy when the server told us we were on our last savory course. And by the time we reached our second dessert and I got to make a wish, we thought that we had finally reached the finish line. But no. Just then, the server brings us yet another spoon, and Kevin looked so defeated.
No more spoons.
The last dessert was so delicious though. I'm still not too sure what it was, but I would absolutely love to have it again. When they brought our bill with some more sweets, Kevin was so shocked because he really could not eat another bite of anything else. And I ended up eating all of it. And it was so good! It's kind of weird, but Kevin was like, can you eat the wrapper too? And I think he was thinking of the milk candies, but no, the wrapper was not edible. Not that I know of anyway.
A few moments later.
We're home now! That was a delicious dinner. So full. Kinda just want to sleep now. I had a lot of fun playing this game with Kevin at what's it called? Key Party. Well, like we talk to each other every day, but I guess like they're just some things that you don't really think about or think to talk about. So it's really interesting the types of questions that are on these cards. For example, one question we answered was, what's one event in your life if it had never happened, you would be a dramatically different person today? The questions in here really get you to dig deep and reflect on different aspects of your life and share your ideas on different topics, which I think is such a fun way to inspire new ways of storytelling and understanding one another. If you're looking for fun things that you could do with friends over the internet, I think this might be something fun to try out. The one I played with Miriam was called We're Not Really Strangers, and we really enjoyed that one.
Did you like the game that we were playing today? Hello? Yeah? Hey you! Oh, where are you going? Wait! Come back! Hi doggy!
Some of our new furniture have already started arriving because we're actually moving quite a bit later than we had originally thought, but we got these new armchairs to go with our couch since our living room will be a bit bigger at our new place. So far, I really like them. They're super comfy and they swivel, which makes them a lot of fun.
Sweet!
Since we were out for so long today, I decided to play with Cremo for a bit before heading to bed. But then we had a surprise visitor! It was my friend Eric from the Wolfpack. He's so sweet. I think he actually shows up at midnight for my birthday pretty much every year. He got me this Essentials hoodie. We were actually chatting about this hoodie a while back, and I was telling him how I hear that the quality is really great, but I felt like it was so overpriced. I told him that he should save his money for something else he might need since he already had so many clothes. But turns out he was getting one for himself and one for me. And to be completely honest guys, it is actually really comfortable and warm. It looks kind of ordinary on the website, but the quality is actually really good. So despite that heavy price tag, I guess it's worth it. Anyway, thank you so much Eric, you're too kind. I think because usually my friends and I go pretty big when celebrating birthdays, the fact that we couldn't really do anything this year for such a big birthday was kind of tough. Which is why I think a lot of my other friends came by with gifts too, and they were all so sweet and thoughtful. I got this really cool book from Winnie, which I can't wait to read. It looks like it has so many beautiful ways of organizing and decorating your home, so this will be perfect for when we move. She also got us this essentials oil for our diffuser, so our home's going to be smelling pretty amazing. My friend Fiona got me this jewelry set, which I think is so beautiful and goes so well with my hair. My friend Ada got me this concealer, which apparently is one of the best concealers that her sister has ever used. I haven't tried it yet, but once I have a chance to try it out, I'll let you guys know how it goes. My sister sent me this very cute miniature Primo by this artist named Felt Fellows by Maria, and it's so cute! It looks just like her. My cousin Michelle came by with a unicorn balloon, which I think is so cute. I'm so in love with it, but she also got me these chocolates from Simply the Best. The first piece I tried was called the Sunny Bee with honey lemon ganache, and it was absolutely delicious. I made sure to save the red heart for Kevin because he loves passion fruit. I also tried this one, the Dark Lord, because I love dark chocolate and it was so good. I'm going to have to go pick up some more once I'm done with these. Linda also came by with tea and cake because she knew that I've been watching a lot of K-On, so she thought she would put together a little tea time set for me. This was so sweet of her and really so thoughtful. We had tea together at this place a couple years ago when we went wedding dress shopping, and we had such a good time there. So she wanted to get me tea from there again, along with these cakes from One Cake Boutique. Oh my goodness, you guys, I had so much cake this week, but this was honestly the best. I still have one more piece to go, but the cakes from here really have unique flavors and the texture is so fluffy. I also got a gift card for a massage session at one of the new spas in town from my friend Leanna. I've actually been dying for a massage because all this desk work has been killing my back. My friends are always listening to me whine about my back pains, so it's really so thoughtful that she got this for me. On the day of my actual birthday, Kevin and I picked up some takeout sushi to have with my family because my parents aren't going out to eat right now. I have some footage from when we went there a while back so you can see how amazing the food is, but I think this is another must-try restaurant. The sashimi is really fresh and the soba has this really unique kind of fusion flavor that is so delicious, and for such amazing Japanese food, this place is actually pretty affordable. And of course, we had cake. Even though I didn't get to spend my birthday with all my friends this year, I still had so much fun, and they were so thoughtful to come by with so many surprises. Hopefully by the time I make another trip around the sun, we will all be able to gather again. By the way, if you're ever struggling to take pictures with your balloons because they keep rotating, try taping them together. This was my dad's genius idea. Then they won't move around anymore.
Turning 13, guys.
I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog and eating all day with me. I'm so glad that you were able to join us. Let me know in the comments what your favorite part was. It's time for me to stay home forever again, but I've got tons of packing to do, so it's totally okay. We're going to jump right back into my Path to Rainbow hair series next week, so make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss that. Please give this video a like to support this channel. I'll see you all next week. I think I'll put it on my desk. Oh, look at her butt. It's so cute. Hi guys. Make sure you like and subscribe.